Okay, so tapos na tayo sa remainder theorem. Next naman natin, factor theorem naman. Okay? So yung factor theorem naman states that if the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c and the remainder is 0 or p of c is 0, therefore x minus c is factor of p of x. In short nun, pag yung remainder is 0, so gagamitin lang natin yung remainder theorem. Pag yung remainder is 0, therefore x minus c is factor of p of x. So example tayo. Determine if x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 5. So alamin natin kung ito ba, yung x minus 2 is factor ba siya nitong polynomial na to. Okay? So ito yung p of x natin. So p of x ito. And then ito yung ating x minus c. Therefore yung c natin is positive 2. Positive 2 yung c natin. Or pwedeng equate lang natin yan sa 0. Transpose natin yung negative 2 magiging positive 2. So ito na yung c natin. Now, kunin lang natin yung remainder niya. Okay, kung 0 yung remainder, therefore, factor siya nitong polynomial. So, paano ulit yun? So, gamitin lang natin yung remainder theorem. So, evaluate lang natin yung 2 sa polynomial. So, kunin lang natin si p of 2. So, para masolve natin yung remainder. So, now, palitan lang natin yung x ng 2. So, magiging 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 5. Okay? Yung mga x, pinalitan lang natin ng 2. And then, 2 cubed, that is 8. 2 squared, that's 4. 4 times 2, that is 8. Plus 5. Okay. Then, evaluate pa natin. So, 8 minus 4, that is 4. 4 minus 8, negative 4. So, negative 4 plus 5, that is positive 1. So, yung remainder natin is 1. Hindi 0 yung remainder natin. Therefore, hindi siya factor ng polynomial. Okay.